fancy. I've been given admission to study banking and finance in the State University.
Mama! Banking and finance?
Yes!
Hey! So very soon, I'll be addressed as bankers, Mama. God, I thank you.
Yes, Mama.
My dear sister, I'm very happy for you.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
My only worry is that I don't know how they'll be able to raise money to train you in university.
Don't bother about that. I spoke to Mama already. She promised to talk to Papa on behalf of me.
Yes. Hey! That was the same promise Mama made to me 2 years ago when I got admission to study law at the university. Do you know at the end of the day, they couldn't even get money for me to pay ordinary acceptance fee.
Hey!
So, Osikeleja, Debi Ledu, Bamboo. That was then.
Then.
This time around, I will sit my husband down. I will know how to talk to him. I will know how to wind him. And I'll get what I want. You will pay your school fees.
Mama, I trust you.
Don't mind that. Why are you jealous of your sister?
Jealous.
Mama, how can you say that? How can I be jealous of my own lovely sister?
Yeah.
I'm just concerned so that what happened to me will not also happen to
Mrs. Yeah.
I know that when I come back, you will give me pocket money.
Mama, trust me.
You will buy me lovely clothes.
Trust me.
Those ones they call kaftan. Bubu. Ankara.
Hippie.
That's long week. That's one that.
Mama, you know I can do it.
Ujumwa.
Oh, you don't need it. Mama, I will even buy you all those hippie things. The high heel. You'll not be walking like this, walking like this. Jealousy.
I must go to the university. Whether you like it or not. Jealousy go commit suicide. Send me high heels. Send me lovely dresses. Maxi.
Mama.
Mama, don't worry. Trust me.
I will do it for you. Trust me.
Sir, you sent for me. Yes. You see, after the investigation on the recent robbery attack on the company, the management have decided to relieve you of your duty as a chief security officer. Sir, please don't do this to me. You know how I have worked tirelessly for this company in the last 18 years. Please, don't do this to me because of my children and my wife. Please, Nikolu. Mr. Wakwan, you are embarrassing me. There is nothing we can do. You know you are old and can no longer face the security challenges of the company. Meanwhile, this is a letter to that effect. As you can see, I'm busy.
Bag, clothes. I will live in the hostel. I will not manage you. Rice, cheese, bag, this one. You should be praying to. I'm about to raise money for you to pay your school fees first.
How will you?
Can you trust me in a bag? First. You're welcome. Papa, thank God you're back. Papa, the school entrance result is out and I am one of the best candidates. So look at it. Papa, look at it.
I will look at it later.
Papa, aren't you happy for me? Yeah. Would you allow Papa to rest? As you can see, he's not in a good mood. Was I talking to you? or no good mood? Is that why he cannot look at his daughter's results? Oh. Now let me just tell you, Uju must go to the university. You can't just allow her stay back in the house like Amarachi did. You must find the money for her school, please.
I don't have anywhere to raise money from.
Papa Ash, you must look for the money. You must raise the money. Papa must go to school. Now, you know what? That place where you're working, you will ask them for the money. Yes. Talk to management. I'm sure they'll do something for you.
I lost my job. Oh, that is sad.
What? How did it happen?
Remember this robbery incident in our company last week?
Yes.
The management said that I am old. I cannot handle security challenges in the
Mama, my school.
This is wickedness. Admission, Uju got into the university. What are we going to do about it? Are we just going to sit back and allow it slip through our fingers?
What do you want me to do? You know I won't kill myself.
Well, I'm not saying you should kill yourself. All I'm asking is that piece of land that you're working, I think we should sell it and use the money to pay for our fees and take care of every other thing.
Over my dead body. Now, you know that is the only land that is left. My only portion of land that is left. Don't go there at all. Don't go there.
What is the use of the portion of land when it cannot be sold and used to do something tangible? Used to take care of our problems.
Enough of that disturbance. There's nothing I can do about this. This matter is closed.
Busy here crying. Eh?
I don't have appetite to eat food.
I thought I had promised you that I will make sure that you have a university education. You know that baby, come and eat your food.
If you and Papa don't do anything, I swear to God I will kill myself.
Hey!
You have to do something.
Kill yourself. You know, it's not killing yourself. You know, kill by yourself. Now give me mercy. So you don't trust your mother anymore. Stop crying. I've promised you. There's no way I would allow you forfeit your university education. You know what? If you act like this, it's as if you don't trust me. Come on. No, go you sit out on and then. He had a for me, my name cover go. Why are we? I'll talk from you for ya, cow.
I'm better. listen, do this for me as a friend. Okay? Are you sure you can do this? My mind is made. I will see what I can do.
Amazi.
Good afternoon. No.
Thank you. Ella, it looks like you're going.
As you can see now, I'm dressed for a meeting. How is my friend Wapwe?
He's fine, thank you.
That's good.
I actually came to see you to discuss something important.
Is that so?
Yes.
I hope all is well.
All is well.
It's okay. Uloma! Uloma!
Papa! I'm coming. Mama, you're welcome.
Thank you.
Get all seats.
Okay.
Yeah. Let's go.
I'm happy too. But I just pray that there will be money to pay her. You people shouldn't allow me to stop her education. Is it not money that stopped me from going to school? The worst part of it is that my father has lost his job. Amara, you cannot continue to look up to your parents. No time is too late to study. You can go and learn a job and save money for your schooling. I'll think about it. Okay. I'll see you tomorrow. I'll go this way.
What I'm here to discuss with you should actually be my husband discussing it. You know, since he lost his job, he has not been himself.
Is everything alright?
Yes, everything is alright. It's just that my daughter gained admission to the State University to study banking and finance.
This is great.
We thank God. But unfortunately, there isn't really money to pay for the fees. And I figured as my husband's best friend, I should come and ask for your help. In any way you can help us, please. I promise to pay back. There's nobody else I can ask.
Well, if there is anybody I should discuss this kind of matter with, it should be your husband to work with.
I know, but I know he wouldn't want to discuss this with you. That's the last thing on his mind. I promise you, Mazi, anything you give me, any amount you give us, I'll pay to the last dime. Is your Biko?
It's okay. I've heard you. I've heard you. I will think about it. Then I'll get back to you.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.
I beg to take my leave.
It's okay. Greetings to you.
Okay, I will.
Mazi.
Yes.
Can we keep this a secret between us? I wouldn't want to Wapwe to hear about it.
Oh, my lips are sealed. Trust me.
Mazi,
it's okay.
Thank you, sir.
There's a lady here, she wants to see you.
Who is that?
I think you might know her. She's the daughter of Mr. Owape, our former security officer.
Let her in.
Thank you, sir.
Please sit down.
Thank you.
Can I help you?
Sir, please permit me to introduce myself. My name is Amarachi, the daughter of Mr. Owape, your former chief security officer.
I see.
Sir, please. I understand your reason for relieving my father of his duties. But sir, ever since his dismissal, it has not been easy for my family.
I don't understand.
Could you believe that my younger sister got admission at the State University, but there's no money to sponsor her? That was the same thing that happened to me 2 years ago. So please, I offer you a job in this company. Even if as a cleaner or messenger, anything I can do it. Let me support my family and also save for my own schooling. Sir, please. Please. Anything at all, I can do it. Please.
Anyway, I'm sorry that you have to pass through that ugly experience. It's okay, I will give you money for your sister's schooling.
Thank you very much, sir.
It's okay.
I appreciate it.
It's not okay.
Sir, please. That's not what I want. I want to work. Anything I can do, sir. Please, I want to work. Please help me, sir.
Well, you give me your number. I will discuss with the management and get back to you.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you, I appreciate it.
Just write your name here.
Look, I promise I would never hurt you.
Are you sure?
I'm sure. And for your sake, I cross my heart.
I can do anything for you. Anything.
Really? Let me kiss you.
What are you doing with this Casanova? Eh? This Ofronwa is here, right? What are you doing with him?
Look, whatever I have to do with Uloma is none of your business.
Okay, make your partner sick. Shut up! Am I talking to you? Answer me! Am I talking to you?
Look, baby, I cannot withstand her insult. I would leave, but we'll meet at our usual spot.
No problem.
Remember, I love you.
Maybe leave her alone. I see the baby.
Why shit again? Eh? What is the meaning of this rubbish you just did now? Who in this? You should be thanking me. I just saved you from a lion's den. Who doesn't know Francis?
Lifesaver.
Who in this neighborhood that doesn't know Francis? That's how he goes about breaking young girls' hearts. What you encourage there? Eh? Also, chassier, your chassier, me chassier juice in another area. Don't put the person. Move over to the next girl. And you're here telling me, you should be thanking me. By the way, what were you doing?
Meaning? Oh, do you think I was doing with him what your mother comes to do with my father?
Jess, the funny part is that they think I don't know. But I have all the details. And very soon, I'll begin to play like a tape. I'm a young man. I want to get you alone. Lifesaver. Ozachilo, Ochilo. I'm sure you heard me very well. Very soon, I'll begin to play the tape in this village. No, but just watch out. Don't worry. Papa, where is Mama? Papa, where is Mama?
My daughter, you are not looking happy. What is the matter?
Papa, I'm not happy. Someone just insulted my mother, my own mother, and I'm not happy about it, so I want Mama to tell me the truth.
I can't understand you. How do you mean?
Papa, as I was coming back, I saw Uloma, Mazia Fam's daughter. I saw her with one useless boy. They were standing by the corner, caressing themselves. Now, I scolded her. Eh? Do you know? Oh, you cannot. You need to hear what that stupid girl uttered from her mouth about my own mother.
What? What did she say?
Amarachi, why are you scolding me? Do you think what I want to do with this boy is what your mother does with my father?
What does she mean?
I don't know. That's why I rushed home, so that Mama will explain to us. Where is she, Papa? Where is she? Let's come and explain to us, because I told Mama this our family and be rubbing it in the mud. She should come and explain.
Your mother went to the market to get some of the things she will need to go to the school.
It's a school. How were you able to get married? Just go.
Sit down. Your mother said she borrowed the money from my meeting. I will ask her what you have just told me. Immediately she comes back. I will do that.
Try and ask her so that will not be object of ridicule in this village. Because I wanted to hear from Mama first. If not, you know what I can do. But I want to confirm that she's telling the truth.
Okay. Please take this.
Okay.
I think this is
In that one,
yeah, how much?
it's only cost you 6,000. You leave on.
That's so expensive. Okay, I'm going to give 24,000 naira.
No, madam. See, listen. This hair, okay, for you so that I want to fix you, give me 35,500 naira, okay? See, listen, this hair is not just an ordinary hair. It's like human hair. You can even use it more than 2 times. That's if you want. Okay? Okay?
Madam, your price is too much. All I can give you right now is 30,000 naira.
Sorry, I can't fix it with that amount.
Like, seriously. Your hair is very expensive, like,
Fine girl, they don't follow you.
what kind of blue is that? How much?
How much you want to pay? 30,000.
Yes.
Bushi,
Chizzy,
what's your problem?
I will tell you what I'm saying.
Won't you mind your business?
I don't blame you. Don't need to pay your house rent.
I'm taking my hair.
My dear, let's go.
Oh, busy body.
Yeah, well, I'm going to start everywhere.
Mama, see, I never knew that Mazia Mama Junior, he bought me a lot of things. Yes. Bats, shoes, clothes. You need to see a lot of gifts I have inside this.
My daughter, one thing you must know. Please don't tell your father or your sister who paid for these things. You know, if you Mama, so your registration and your accommodation, he gave me the money for those things. Yes.
Mama, see, don't worry. I'm not a fool. I won't tell anybody. Oh, you know what?
Please, I lied to your father. I told him I collected the money from the women's meeting. So your mouth should be clearing.
Mama,
Never worry. I don't worry.
I won't tell anybody.
Okay.
See, Mama, let me tell you. I know you're doing all these things for me. And I promise to take good care of you. When I graduate, I will buy you a lot of things. You'll be doing shakara for all these village women.
Hey!
Your name is Shakara. Shakara. Your name is...
Hey! Why And then... Okay. You took after me. I would like to see you walk. You know the kind of walk you walk
Mommy,
to school.
Oh, we can catwalk.
Okay.
Melomia.
Hi. 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 Thank you, ma. Thank you. So impressive. I hope you enjoyed your meal.
Oh, so much. There is something I want to ask you now that our children have gone to bed.
what is it?
I want you to tell me the truth. And nothing but the truth.
You've not said anything yet. I wouldn't know what to say.
How did you source this school, please?
And you remember, I told you now I got the money from this, the women's meeting.
So, how much did you borrow from me?
Nani, please don't bother yourself over how much that was borrowed. I'm the one that borrowed it, and I will pay it back. Because it was in a way. I don't want you to, get sick or the whole thing would affect your blood pressure.
Secondly, there is this rumor going around town that you now move around with Majafa. How true is it?
I can't just believe that you're asking me that kind of question. So you cannot vouch for me. You now listen to rumor mongers. After 30 years of marriage, now you can't even vouch for me.
It is the daughter, remember, that told Amarachi that you now move around with the father.
Me? Mwabungozi?
Yes. She said she knows everything you and the father knows.
And you believe that rubbish?
I don't know what to believe now. I don't know what to do. I must be very, very careful.
So, what do you want to do now?
Oh, I must involve my business.
Must you?
Oh, yes. Our tradition must be followed to the letter. To prove your innocence, before I can now eat your food or sleep with you again. I don't want to die.
Papa, I'm set to go. Yes.
It's okay, my daughter. Remember all I discussed with you.
Okay, Papa.
Don't join any evil.
I won't, I promise. So, when are we going to see you again?
Mama, very soon. Once I sort my accommodation and registration, I'll be back.
I might know you miss me. You know miss me. You know miss me. Let me see how. Okay.
Are you going out?
Yes, so I'm going out. Did the car leave the park before you left her?
Yes, Mama. She has gone.
Thank you. I'm around Mama enjoy. As your mother, is there something I've done to you that is bad? No, I can't see you. Enjoy. Then why have you been rubbing my name and my image in the mud?
Mwakwa. I don't understand.
Oh, really? Well, we've been discussing it with what's her name?
Oh, that. Mama, don't mind that stupid girl. I saw her the other day standing with one boy and I scolded her. Instead of her to take correction, you needed to hear the rubbish that came out of her mouth about you.
Listen.
She accused you of having an affair with her father.
And you
felt the best way to handle it was by telling your own brother, yeah?
Mama, actually, I told Papa because I didn't believe her. Mama, I knew he cannot do such a thing.
And you didn't think it was wise to discuss it with me first? No, I didn't know.
Tell me the truth. Are you actually having an affair with Marcy?
You will actually believe it. Right? So why is it true? But no problem. That is what we want to. Marcy and our house. Yes. Let me go and sort out this problem once and for all.
Hey, Mommy, let me go with you. So that if that if she tries to deny it, if you're jail, let me go with you.
Don't worry. Your father needs to eat. Go in and prepare something for me. Use that dry fish at the back, Nangika. Put it in the soup. Let him eat. I'm coming back. Yes.
Yeah, sure, you don't want me to go with you.
Don't worry, I will handle it.
Papa.
Amara.
Yes, Papa.
What about your sister?
Oh, that's fine.
Come here, come. My daughter, I wouldn't want you to be dejected that your younger sister is to the school before you. I know you are more brilliant than her, but let me tell you, one day you will be in the university, and the money to sponsor your education will be there. Yes.
Okay, Papa. I've heard you. You must be very hungry. Okay, let me go and prepare your food.
Thank you.
So, why didn't you come inside now?
We have to be very careful how we meet each other again.
Why?
The children are beginning to suspect we're having an affair.
What? How?
I don't know. All I know is that my husband is getting ready to invite his kinsmen to make me swear. Yes, that I'm not doing anything before he can eat my food nor sleep with me.
To that extent? So what are you going to do now?
He's asking me what I don't know. I just wish I hadn't started this affair in the first place.
It's okay. It's okay. There is no need crying over spilled milk. Okay? Do whatever you can to save yourself. I am solidly behind you. If you need more money, don't hesitate to tell me.
Okay, I need to go now, please.
It's okay. It's okay.
I need to go.
It's okay. Just go.
Papa, let me go back to the kitchen and continue with it.
Okay, my dear. I don't know what is wrong with me. Oh.
Why you're blaming? I don't know. I just said water. Mama, it's okay. Drink water. Water. Okay. It's okay. Can I give you one fish? One fish? You can't be dying.
Take me to the hospital.
Hey, Papa.
Take me to the hospital.
Go and get it. Please. Let's get into the hospital. Get outside. Now what is it? Why you? Can you ask what Danya? What up was? Breathe in. Now. Why your head?
What is it that I'm hearing about my friend Wagwe?
Mazia from Amara. Amara has killed my husband.
What?
Amara,
Mama, I cannot kill Papa. I cannot kill my father. I don't know what you're talking about.
You don't know what I'm talking about, but you were there when the doctor said that he was poisoned. The food he ate was poisoned. Who cooked the food? Who gave him the food? Amara. Hey, Hey! Amara, what did you do to your father?
Amara, what happened? I don't know. Though the doctor said he died of food poisoning, but I don't know how it happened. I cannot explain it. I cannot kill my own father. My hands are clean.
It's me that killed my own husband.
Amara, you killed your father.
Maziamino said I not kill my father. How can I kill my own father? You don't understand. I didn't kill my father. I didn't kill my father. I didn't kill him. Papa. Mama, talk to me. Somebody should talk to me. What happened to Papa?
Amara, your sister should be in a better position to tell.
Amarachi, what did you do to Papa? What happened to him? Talk to me. What happened?
My sister, I don't know. I can't explain it. How could I have killed my own father? I didn't kill him.
Amarachi, tell me this is not true. Amarachi, what did you do to Papa? What did you do to Papa?
You have the guts to hit me. How could you begin to imagine that I will kill our own father? How could you?
This is just the beginning. I will make this whole house so miserable for you. Just bet me. This is just beginning. You murderer.
What's the problem? You Ma? Yes. Yeah. First got to my expensive breakfast. What's the good progress?
This is a moment of reconciliation. Okay. I don't want this cat and the dog fight again in this house. Enough is enough. The mistake is already made. Eh? We are not going to kill Amara because of anything.
What are you trying to say? That Amarachi here will not face the consequences of killing my father and making my mother a widow? It's impossible.
No.
It's impossible.
Listen.
Hey.
You know, if we expose your sister, that your father's kinsman will kill her, would you like it?
Amarachi, die! Die if you want to die, die! Let them kill her!
I did not kill my father. Tell me, but I'm innocent. I did not kill my father.
But who did?
Oh. Who did?
Doctors confirmed that he died of food poisoning. You prepared and served him the food that he ate that led him to death.
Why did you die like this?
No.
How am I going to leave this job? Why did you die like this? Who did you leave these children for?
Don't go there. Don't go there. Your husband was my best friend. There is no how I can leave his family to suffer when I am still alive. It's not possible. As long as I am concerned, anything that is your problem, financially and otherwise, I am here standing behind you.
Oh, Mazefa, thank you.
God bless you, my daughter. Thank you.
Amarachi, won't you open that your getting out and say thank you? Someone is saying he will take care of you. When he knew. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, my daughter. Ngozi, the next thing you have to do now is to meet with your husband's kinsman Let them give a date for the burial. I am behind you, I said. I am sure, I promise you here now that we are going to give him a befitting burial. Okay?
Oh, thank you.
God bless you.
Thank you. Thank you. Yeah.
Yes, I have to leave. But remember, whatever, financially and otherwise, that will be a need, don't hesitate to let me know. Please.
Thank you, Doctor.
Okay.
Now that Papa has been moved to another earth, how do we move on this?
As for me, I'm going back to school tomorrow. I'll stay here. Personally, I think I should wait until the morning period is over then. It's all pretty choice. I think I'll just look for a little job. That would be nice. If you can find a job to keep your body and soul together. Come to think of it, what kind of job would you get with your O-level results?
God will definitely see me.
Okay. Mama, let me go inside and get my things ready tonight. Thank you. There's something. I don't know what you are. What is that? Get the water. I'm ready to do anything. Honestly, I'm beginning to get frustrated. Sometimes I feel like committing suicide. Don't talk like that. You won't commit suicide. I think you need to see Brother Kingsley. Who is Brother Kingsley? Brother Kingsley is a man of God. And God is using him to help so many people. Yes. Okay. I'll make out time so that you can go and sing. Yeah? Thank you very much. Thank you. You're welcome. Okay, let me hurry home before my mother starts looking for us. Okay. Bye. Bye-bye.
What's the meaning of this?
Sir, it's the report you asked me to prepare.
Are you a daft? Come take this thing, go and keep the record straight. Meanwhile, tell that girl that is waiting out there to come in.
Alright, sir.
Come on, record and keep it straight. Oh, you're welcome. Please sit down. And what will I offer?
Not this one.
It's okay. We receive with regrets the demise of your father. And we pray that God will grant you and your family the fortitude to bear the irreplaceable loss. And I also want to inform you that we are giving you appointment in this company. We are doing so considering the level of dedication your father exhibited while working with us.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you. God bless you. Thank you very much. I'm so happy.
It's alright. Sit down. Yes, you come on Monday, I will introduce you to other staff and place you in the department that you work. We're looking forward to a good working relationship.
So I'll try my best. Thank you very much.
Congratulations.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you, sir. God bless you, sir. God bless your family, sir. Thank you very much. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Nne, I have good news for you. What? Chineke Okede. I have finally gotten a job.
Hey! Oh, I'm so happy for you. Thank you, my friend. Where?
At the company where my father worked. They asked me to start on Monday.
Wow! Congratulations!
I also have good news for you. I guess as much. I entered here. I saw the smile and the blushing and the so tell me what to take of it. Emeka has proposed to me. Is it like? Yes. In fact, he's coming with his people next weekend for the introduction.
That is why I'm going to look so good that day for him. So I decided to make it special for him.
So tell me, what style do you want to make? That is why I have to wait till you follow me to the salon.
Let's follow it to the salon before you want me to carry some weight. You wanted to change his mind.
I'm so happy for you. So very soon, you'll be addressed as Mrs.
Yes, so
Emeka.
Mrs. Obi Emeka.
I was even thinking you're not coming again.
I decrease. It's money where you won't give me. I need them bad. Now my head without you.
You see, I'm even surprised that you are a good hairstylist now.
Well, I'm getting used to it. I promise to finish my stage.
It's okay. Since this is what you asked for,
thank you very much. I really appreciate this. Thank you very, very much.
It's okay. I don't know if you care.
Yeah. I bet, Barman, you get life. If you don't get life, give me 3-3. I need green bottle to make her away. Alright. Before you change your mind.
So, how are you popping?
My brother, the street is military, but I'm there here now. You don't mind.
Ask me to start working. And you agreed. What would I have done? Do you know that those people contributed towards your vanity? Maybe if they had not sacked him, my husband would still be alive. Mama, I've agreed to work in that company. At least, let me start from somewhere. With time, if I see a better place, I can change. You don't heed to advice, do you? So what do you know? If you want to work with them, all well and good. But just know that I am not part of it.
Oh, good day, Amara. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you, sir.
Please sit down. Yes, I sent for you and I want you to run an important errand for me.
Okay, sir.
A friend of mine is flying in from Abuja today and I want to lodge him in a hotel. I don't know if you know any good hotel around there.
What exactly, sir?
There's this hotel they call Citadel. I heard there's a nice one. Do you know there?
No, sir, where is it?
At that junction, just get Okaba, Keke or cab. They will take you there. Take this money. Take from it and pay for a suitable suit of your choice. And wait for me there, I'll be coming. Wait for me there because there is something he's bringing for me so that you drop it in the office.
I will, sir.
Make sure you wait for me here till I come, right?
Yes, sir. You're welcome, sir.
Oh, you are not taking anything.
No, sir.
Please order for something I will pay.
No, thank you, sir. I'm okay. Where is the friend you went to pick from the airport?
Well, I'm not expecting any other person to send you. As the chief executive officer of this company, I take vital decisions.
Sir, I don't understand.
You see, I brought you here to discuss something we cannot discuss in office. I like you, and I want to turn your life around if you cooperate with me. As you can see, you are such a beautiful girl, and your body looks so succulent. Come on. Come on.
Sir, please stop.
Why are you behaving like this? Are you a kid?
Sir, please, I don't like this.
Don't worry, you will like it.
Sir, please.
You will like it.
Sir, please stop it. Sir, please stop
I said
it.
you will like it.
Stop it. I don't like it.
You hit me.
The secretary said you wanted to see me.
Yes, you are fired.
Sir, are you firing me because I refuse to see you?
Yes! Whatever. Now get out of my office. Get out immediately! Nonsense.
Maziafam, I want for you. Hi. Just in Wajimazu.
Hey!
Just want to break my back.
Just that, whenever I'm with you, you know, I keep getting renewed, like, you know, with the strength of a young man, you know? You are too much.
Amara, I didn't know you were going to come back this early. Why are you crying? Sir.
Hey! Please, let me take my leave. So you have time to discuss with your daughter?
No problem.
I will see you later.
Okay. So now you've been sacked? Yes, Mom. How? Look at me. Just because I refused to sleep with my boss, he sacked me. Mom, you sacked yourself. Yes. How do you mean? How do I mean? That was an opportunity to get things that you needed for yourself. Smart young girls would have done what? They would have grabbed that opportunity with open arms, but not you. How I wish it were you, Mamo. Smart girl. Eh? Mama? Eh? Are you a virgin? Or you're not a virgin. So, what give him happy? Distribute, share, and get what you want. Now you've lost your job. Let us see how you will survive in this house. No. I don't want to prefer.
Thank you, Mama. Thank you. Mama, I have a lot of things for you. Fine. Mama, help me to bring all this thing down. Hey, Amarachi, come on. Okay. Mama. Hey.
Mama, what's all these for? What?
Yes, Mama, all these things are for you. You alone. Hey, bring a bag of rice. Be fast. Thank you. Mama, take your money. Keep the change. Thank you. Mama. You alone. Hey!
Won't you ask your daughter where she got money to buy all these things?
Shut up.
Here.
Oh, shut up and stop asking stupid questions. I gave birth to both of you. You are the eldest, yet Imarife, she's more proactive and active. You're just as dull as your father.
I know she's not working. How did she get money to buy? Is she working in school?
Obasale, is it your business? You can carry that one.
You can carry this thing, let's go inside.
No, leave her. Let her not carry the rice. But you carry the other one. Okay. Let me carry the bread.
Hurry. Mama, she can carry it. Tell her to come and carry it.
No, don't break her. Carry this one first. Lay up, Blue.
I can't believe you got all those things for me. A bag of rice. Hey! Miracle.
I will buy you. In fact, I will buy you better ones.
Hey!
I still don't know how you were able to get money and buy all those things you don't. I don't know why you have to keep harassing your sister.
Trying to find out where she got the money from. Or business. Anyway, did your sister tell you she lost her job?
Amarachi, what happened? Don't mind my stupid womanizer of a boss. He wanted to sleep with me, and when I refused, he asked me to leave.
Okay. He wanted to sleep with you. When you refused you.
Now, don't you know me again? Can they get you to sleep with me? No. I cannot do that.
Now that you refused to sleep with him and you got sacked, what happened? Reason. Think about it. Reason. Aren't you a fool?
You're the one that is a fool. You're a bigger fool! Mama, what how? What how? I will beat her. I can take any insult from Mama, but not from you. If you talk any guitar, find yourself. You think I'm good at go about sharing your body for 1 naira? Then take up to all the men in this village.
Okay, no problem. Just hold your own. Don't get
Hold it.
Mama, let me go and prepare something for it. Only one. today. Don't share. Nonsense.
Mama, what was this your kitchen? Come with food. It's enough. Hey. The food smells.
Aroma is something else.
Hey!
I eat.
I cannot find my own food in the kitchen.
Which one is your own food?
Ask Carol.
Jump.
I mean, my own portion of the food you prepared.
Hey, Amarachi, the food I brought into this house is for Mama. Yes, you are a grown-up woman like me. Yes, you should be able to fend for yourself.
Okay. Mama, did you hear that? Are you supporting her? Why won't I support her? Why won't I support her? God gave you a job on a platter of gold. He blew my platter, my job, to buy any more here. Oh, you think she will fight for you? Yeah, if you want to starve to death, my name is Soka.
So simple.
Let me go see her.
Enjoy yourself. Mama, enjoy yourself.
Your friend. I'm going back. This friend must be a... Because the way you're dressed and the way you're shaking that hips, is something else. I'll tell you something. Make sure that friend of yours greases your palm.
Mama, don't you trust me?
Would you bake? Hey.
Mama, I'm the latest bee in this village.
It's okay, no?
Latest, what latest? What now see? Was it not latest? Just send the dreamer. Would you? If your plan is to snatch my boyfriend, it will not work. You're a joker. Is that why you're barking like a dog? Are you stupid?
And who the hell is that your fucking boyfriend?
Well, my boyfriend's name is Francis. And if you want to take him the way your mother here took my father, it cannot work.
Don't insult me in my house.
And if I insult you, what will you do?
You're insulting my mother.
I will pounce on you.
You will do what?
You want to fight?
You